Welcome to another OfficeLogix Shop video. Is the seat mesh on your Herman Miller Aeron chair feeling loose and unresponsive? Before you think about buying a replacement, don't. This is a fixable issue, and we're here to show you. Please note that we're using an OEM seat mesh from Herman Miller. Start by grabbing a heat gun and applying heat from a distance. Why? Because getting too close can burn the mesh. You'll want to move the heat evenly across the entire surface, never focusing on one spot. Heat it gradually and stop to test the tension every now and then until it feels just right. Now, some of you are probably wondering what happens if you do get too close or focus the heat on one area. We'll show you so you don't have to try it yourself. As you can see, the mesh burns instantly. At this point, our engineer might be having a little too much fun torching it, but seriously, don't try burning it. Remember to always keep your distance and spread the heat evenly. While you don't need to replace your mesh just to fix this unresponsiveness issue, you can get a new seat mesh from OfficeLogix Shop if yours is worn out or damaged. We offer high-quality and affordable seat and back meshes for both the Aeron Classic and Remastered models, and they're available in multiple colors. We are always expanding our selection to match different styles and needs. You can check the description box to view our collection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips, fixes, and reviews from OfficeLogix Shop.